to the dart?
Dirt.
Oh, just now, but I've never scratched it. I got a little bit of mud on
Wood
it.
is a little more better with.
Whoa, man. It is, isn't it?
Have you seen the new Extra 330?
Huh?
The Extra 330. Have you seen that one?
The new one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's real pretty, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Oh yeah. Jack, do you?
Yeah.
Pretty much.
I don't think they're too bad. Just have to get
Uh-oh.
used to 'em. I'm backing up.
Okay. Boy, you know what? I got a 4-cell in there, and it flies on 3-cell. Yes. Now I know what the problem is now. I had half again as much power as I needed. What was that? A piece of cardboard from the runway? It wasn't my plane, was it? Oh yeah, this thing here is too hot.
That's a 6-cell.
Was that, huh?
You got a 6-cell?
No, that's a 4-cell 3800, and I don't think I've ever flown it on a 4-cell. I was wondering why in the world.
This year? I'm not either.
Oh, it says 4-cell 3600.
That's a 6-cell.
Oh!
He does have a 6-cell in it.
You got 50% more power than you're
Oh
used to.
man. Here, hold on
Jack,
now.
that's not very good, man.
Gee, my knee. No
You
wonder
should have
that.
reported that.
I did.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Post that on your YouTube.
Man.
Mistakenly put a 6-cell in it.
I thought that I had the. I thought if it's 4-cell.
He had a 6-cell in it.
No wonder that thing popped up so quick.
I was like, why is it going so fast?
Yeah.